Hi there everybody, this is Dr. Flaskey of Flaskey Chiropractic and Acupuncture, and today I wanted to talk to you about one of the diagnostic services that we are offering in our clinic. Actually, it's been about 2 years now since we've been offering this, but I've never really talked about it before. What we're doing now is something called diagnostic musculoskeletal ultrasound. Now that's a pretty big word, but really what it is an ultrasound image of the soft tissues of the body. It's kind of like an ultrasound for a baby, except for the one that I use is designed specifically for the joints of the body, like the shoulder and the elbow and the wrist. Diagnostic musculoskeletal ultrasound is a pretty amazing technology. This is what the wand looks like. It goes to an iPad, so gone are the days of the really big ultrasound machines. This lets us do it right here in the office. The ultrasound that I use has a lot of benefits because traditionally there was no way of diagnosing a soft tissue injury with images other than doing an MRI, which is obviously quite expensive. The ultrasound unit that I use is rather inexpensive compared to that. It provides quite a bit of good data on soft tissue injuries. We can use it to look for rotator cuff tears, damages to the joints, meniscus damage, things like that. It really lets us do it in the office, which is rather quick. It gives us a good idea on the extent of any injury that you might have and helps us determine if it's something that we can work with conservatively in the office or if it's something that may need to go to an MRI and also possibly to an orthopedic referral. But we use it as a first line, but also as a guide for determining the improvement of any particular thing that we're working on. In my office, I use it a lot for shoulder injuries. I can see rotator cuff tears, dislocations, separations of the joints. I can look for cysts in the knees, lots of different things that normally would go on to an MRI. We can do a first line evaluation of it right here in the office. So over the coming couple of weeks to months, I'm going to be doing some videos on some of the things that I like to look for or that I tend to find here in my office. And I hope you'll enjoy those videos. Tune in. It's quite exciting for me because I am able to much better help my patients by figuring out what's wrong with them without having to necessarily send them off for a lot of expensive imaging. So hopefully you keep tuned to the videos that are coming up in the future, and make sure that you visit my Facebook page at Flaskey Chiropractic and Acupuncture and like the page so that you can get the videos put into your feed. Thank you very much.